How to repair a database in DirectAdmin. You can repair your MySQL database if it has been corrupted somehow. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Account Manager section, click MySQL Management. In this MySQL Management interface, you can create new databases or manage existing ones. Here it shows the existing databases. Check the box and select the database you wish to repair. You can select as many databases as you wish to repair at a time. Now click Repair. It displays a report of repair work. You can see, it has repaired all the tables of the selected database except one, that uses an unsupportable storage engine. Thank you for watching.